my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Good afternoon, people. My dogs are like right here and they're fighting over a stick, so I keep telling them to shush. But if you hear them, I do apologise. If I kick them out, they'll just keep barking and knocking at the doors. So, right, so I've already jumped a few steps. So we have a nail on, and we have 2 coats of Prophecy Dove. This is the whitest white in the land of whiteness. So this is basically a bit of a cop-out on a Union Jack nail, because boys, if you're doing a full flag, for example, it's a lot of lines. It's a lot of straight, perfect lines. Unless you're going for like who was that artist that did all the wonky lines and stuff? Was it Picasso? Whereas like self-portraits just kept getting wonkier and wonkier. Yeah, so unless you're going for like a Picasso kind of spin on the Union Jack, I strongly recommend going for this cop-out. And we're just going to do a quarter of the flag. Enough that you'll look at it and go, oh yeah, that's a Union Jack. Right, so first things first, we've got our 2 coats of Dove down. And I'm using Blood Wine for the red. And quite fittingly, Royal Blood for the blue. And that's pretty much all I have to say on the coronation, that we're using Royal Blood. Was it Royal Blood? Yeah, the blue. Not a fan, am I, Sam? And you're like one of the biggest royalists I know.
Won't stop her coming round to mine on the day of the coronation, because I've got the new pink lemonade vodka in.
No, I've got better things to be doing my time, babe.
What, then come round and having a barbecue at mine?
I'm not watching the coronation. It's
you
not
have
for
to
me.
watch it.
I'll come and drink your vodka. I ain't watching the coronation. No, I'm not allowed to talk about anything political. I love Harry. And I know that's a sore spot at the minute. That's a sore spot. But I love him. Love him, love him, love him. Right, I'm going to do this red down here just a little bit thicker, so that you can see a little bit more of it. So by only doing a quarter of the flag, you've quartered the amount of work to do. And I think I actually prefer it as well, personally. Okay, when you are happy with your angles, we can pop that in the lamp for a full cure, please. Sam, I'm going to get rid of the red for now. Now, if you actually had a palette, which I strongly recommend, you wouldn't waste as much product as I do. I keep losing palettes. I got thin palettes, I got coasters, I got metal palettes. I got them all. Don't know where they are. They've grown legs. Max, baby, please don't chew that in here. Baby, thank you.
If you could all see his face now, he's proper sulking.
Proper sulking. Tail's still wagging though. Right, Royal Blood. I love this blue. Really, really love this blue. This blue would have been perfect to ombre into that blue. They would go gorgeous together. Right, so we need to do like triangle-y bits, my technical terms. So we need to leave a white bit in that kind of general direction. You know what I'm trying to say. And we need to leave a white border down by the side of the red as well. So I'm just going to visualize. It's always better to start a little bit further away than where you think you're going to end up. That way you can keep filling it in. So I'm just going to provisionally mark myself up here for this corner. And then I need to...
That's more than enough there.
About right, that, isn't it? If I need to come in a little bit more, I can do. And then need to do the same over here. So this one wants to run all the way into that corner there. Oh, I reckon that's about right, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, that looks about right. So I'm going to fill that in, and then I'm going to double check that I've got my angles right on everything. By all means, fill this in with a slightly larger brush. You don't have to fill this in with an 8mm liner that's going to take a day and an age. It just happens to be the brush that's in my hand. Make sure you're not going too thick as well. You can do this in 2 coats if needed. But 1 coat, especially with the white background, 1 coat should be enough. Oh, that's looking nice. I mean, you don't have to do this corner of the flag either. You could do any corner. I hate to break it to you, but they're all the same. But
I hate to break it to you, but
they're not, are they? They're not, are they? There's because the red goes in.
That's how you know if you've got your flag upside down or not.
Ah, yeah, of course. Say,
I did have to bully you into doing this, by the way.
yeah. She was like, do coronation nails. Oh,
I wanted a crown, and she said no. So this is what I got.
This I have compromised.
She compromised and gave me a quarter of a flag.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks all right, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. I don't know why I'm surprised, but there were... Put that in the lamp. I did good.
You did all right. Just need to put the last red bit in. Straight
line. Yeah, it's plenty of time for me to F up yet. Straight lines. Just, I've done it. I'm really happy. Oh, dearie me. I mean, to be fair, even if you didn't, so on this next bit that I'm going to draw, there are certain parts of the flag where you've got thicker bits of white and thinner bits of white. I think it's a Union Jack, whether you get it right or wrong. If it's red, blue and white and it kind of looks like a flipping flag, I think it's safe to guess it's a Union Jack flag. Don't you think? Mm-hmm. Or... Am I insulting you? Am I insulting you?
You can get it completely wrong.
But yeah, let's say, right, so this red line needs to be here. Let's say I accidentally do it wrong, do it up there. You're not going to look at it.
I'd have to do that and say she put it upside down.
But you're not going to look at it and think, oh, what country is that? Is it the French
it is
flag?
Quite a recognisable flag, yes.
Exactly. So, right, I'm going to start off super thin and then we can thicken it up. So I'm more so just following the bottom line here, keeping that section of white nice and thin. I'm going to take that up to the edge there, and then I'm going to come back and thicken this red up whilst maintaining a thicker section of white up here. See, this is where I wish we lived in. Is it Japan? It's just white with a red dot. That'd be easy. Dead easy. Should we move to Japan? We'll just do a tour of the world and paint flags on nails. How does that sound? I'm sure Nailchemy will fund that. Does that sound like a good plan, Dave? You send me around the world.
So we can get all these colours.
Painting flags on nails.
See?
Look at that.
She did it.
I'm going to mess it up now.
Don't mess it up, please.
That just needs ticking up just a wee bit there. Straighten this one up a little bit. There we go. Right, I'm going to lay that before I mess it up. Right, pop it in the lamp, please, Chuck.
Oh,
Very, yeah, I'm going to soak it off now. I'm going to cover it in dog food and let the dogs chew on it while you're not looking. That is not how I recommend nail removal, by the way. So I'm going to finish this with the non-white top coat. And should we go for some coconut? Coconut. I mean, there's not much left of it, not going to lie. Makes me want a pina colada. Bang that out, babe.
A penis in it?
Tuna. What did you just say? Did you mispronounce pina colada?
Oops. Didn't do it on purpose, Dave. Sorry.
Better not have done. You've been warned enough times. I mean, right, so keeping it classy, we're going to leave this now as is. But you could do all sorts on top of this. Like, paint it black. Hey, do you know what would look nice? A black, grey and white flag. Just saying. Got to get a little bit of Lisa's darkness in there somewhere. Right, bang that in the lamp. Full cure, please, Sam. Yes, you can. I am recording now, so no more swearing. And a little drop of the coconut elixir, or a large drop of the coconut elixir cuticle oil. Rub that in, and there you go. There is your quarter of the Union Jack flag.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.